Alright, here's a quick tutorial on how to play Por Siempre Te Alabare. There we go. Simple acoustic. Pick. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. D minor, D, A, G, D minor. One strum here. We stop here. You can just do one strum there, dude. Play B major here. G, A, B minor is the most important one. G, B. Usually play B. Same as before, G and B minor. B major. Lost it a little bit there. I should have stopped playing there completely. That's the end. This is not a good song where the acoustic guitar shines. That's kind of why we chose it last year when there was no guitars at all. So you guys and guitar just being dragged along. Thank you. I'm just trying to show you something you can do. Hey, don't interrupt. So anyway, hope that helps. Stop it.